What's the easiest way to share office files among coworkers? Imagine trying to pass a note in class but in a way that everyone can see and access instantly. That's what sharing office files should feel like, simple and quick. The best way to do this today is by using cloud-based file sharing platforms. Platforms like Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Box are designed for just that. They let team members upload, access, and edit files from any device anywhere. No more emailing files back and forth or passing around USB drives. These tools also keep track of all changes made to a file, so everyone stays on the same page. Plus, you can set permissions to control who sees what, keeping sensitive info protected. Using these platforms aligns well with office supplies and organization. Instead of relying only on physical folders and labels, digital storage acts like a virtual filing cabinet. You can create folders for different projects, label them clearly, and organize files for easy access. For example, you might have a folder labeled quarterly reports or client contracts, making it straightforward to find what you need. If you prefer physical copies for meetings or archives, you can print out the most recent versions and store them in labeled folders or filing cabinets. Clear labels on physical files help keep everything orderly when transitioning between digital and paper documents. For teams working in the same office, setting up shared network drives is another option. These are folders stored on the office's main computer system that everyone can access through the local network. This method doesn't require internet and is reliable for quick local sharing. It's especially useful for companies with sensitive data that shouldn't leave the office network. When sharing files digitally, security is key. Use features like multi-factor authentication and user-specific access rights to keep files safe. If you need to send a large file quickly and only once, services like WeTransfer are perfect. They let you send files up to 2 gigabytes without creating an account, and the recipient gets a link to download the file. In summary, the easiest way to share office files among coworkers combines cloud storage platforms with good organization habits. Use digital tools for everyday sharing and physical supplies like labeled folders for printed copies. This way, files are easy to find, secure, and accessible to everyone who needs them, making teamwork smoother and more efficient.